Introducing the 2020 Ford Kuga Titanium First Edition, a sleek and powerful SUV, perfect for any adventure. With 68,000 miles on the clock, this black beauty boasts a 1.5-litre petrol engine and manual transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and tech features like ambient lighting, Android Auto, and satellite navigation, you'll enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags keeping you secure. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer serviced, you can trust this vehicle is top-notch. Don't miss out. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more details today.